This short video is what to expect on the FAA Part 107 in September/the fall 2021. This is not going to be a study guide. This is just going to be what worked for me to pass the test with high marks. I got a 93%. So all I used was the ASA Part 107 study guide for 2021. It's about $20 on Amazon. You do not need to buy a course. Do not buy one of these $200 study prep courses that you find online. They're not necessary. In addition to the book, I also watched Tony Northrup's video, and all I did with that was I had it playing in the background while I was driving to take the test. And I found that, just kind of reviewing some of the answers on there helped put it in my mind so it was fresh when I stepped into the test. The test itself is very easy, 60 questions. You have more than enough time, and there's multiple choice. It's just out of 3, so you have a 33% chance of getting it right anyways. And there's usually one question that's just a throwaway. It's really easy, and then so more or less you have a 50-50 chance of getting every question right. And everything that was in the book, the ASA book that I mentioned, was on the test, with the exception of about 7 questions. And those 7 questions were part of the new update. The FAA redid the test in April of this year, and there were some questions that were not on that study guide. However, that study guide does have a link that you can follow, and I'll post that on the video. And those links have answers to the updated questions. However, even with those, there were some questions that caught me off guard that were not on the study guide, and those questions related to the ADS-B. Again, I won't go into the specific questions, but just know to study ADS-B questions as it relates to the Part 107 test. So that is it. The book, the Tony Northrup video, and reviewing some of the questions, the changes that happened as of April 2021, and you'll be more than ready to go knock the test out of the park. So with that said, that's all I got. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, post it in the comments, and I'll make another video responding to those.